Welcome to CleverSpec's fleet management tool, Radius. Radius is a fleet management dashboard built for managers looking to keep an eye on their logistics. A quick scan of our dashboard shows us a couple things. The most eye-catching is the map. This map is designed to know where all drivers are at all times. With the capacity being updated in real time, this map lays out where your drivers are going. We can see that some drivers are heading north towards Ashburn, Virginia, whereas some seem to be heading south towards Fairfax, Virginia. And while it's nice to know where your drivers are at all times, this is really only the tip of the iceberg. Vehicle expenses can add up fast, especially for a small business that's trying to make its ends meet. Understanding specific, granular data about each of your cars, such as the amount of times your drivers are slamming on the brakes or the amount of times the drivers are going pedal to the metal, will correlate in the long run to the health of the cars. The safer and more conservative a driver is, the more one hopes that the car will 1. Last longer, and 2. Not potentially lose any money for the business. Understanding things like miles per gallon, average speed, or engine load will help the owner know which drivers are driving more efficiently, as well as which cars are better suited for your business. Whether you're a delivery company, a logistics company, or a middleman for multiple different businesses, real-time quantitative data about your drivers will help you make smarter choices. Looking at the next tab, we can see our drivers have now been binned by the type of car they drive. And while it might be nice that we have Audis and BMWs in our fleet, it may not be good for the bottom line. It's important for managers to be looking at the data in a variety of different ways. Looking at data in different perspectives can give the business owner different perspectives. For example, we see that Audis have the highest RPMs as well as the highest average miles per hour. Audis also have the highest average throttle rate. Mazdas have the most quick accelerations, as well as the highest average engine load. Fords have the most hard brakes. Based on check engine lights in the cars we own, we also know that there are 2 cars currently needing maintenance. How come the drivers haven't alerted this to us yet? These type of communication gaps between drivers and managers can create unnecessary friction for your business. Where some employees might fear getting in trouble, management's main concern is going to be for the bottom line as well as the well-being of the drivers. Understanding the big picture of the entire situation gets both parties on the same side to make better business decisions going forward.